Now, people have been on the lookout for inflation and worrying about inflation for a very long time. Jerome Powell, who's the chairman of the Federal Reserve, has already said, if we see inflation go above our target for a little while, we're not going to worry about it because we think inflation is transient, meaning it's not going to be long lasting, it's temporary. So we're going to keep interest rates super low. There is the kind of inflation where producers have to pay more, and that's companies that make things. If companies that make things have to pay more for raw goods like oil or plastics or lumber or copper or food, well, then they have to make up for that by raising their prices to end users like you and me. Make no mistake about it. Prices are going up. Energy's going up. We can't buy as much stuff. Your $200 that you spend at the supermarket only buys you now $180 worth of goods based on prices a few months ago. So if consumer price goes up, then the Fed has to step in and raise interest rates. Well, if they're raising rates, that could slow things down and makes the cost of goods and services more money. It's more expensive. And that could hurt the economy. Every bear you see on TV says, well, things are going great, but we do have to watch out for inflation. Look, we always have to watch out for something in every bull market. There's always a worry. It's never going to be a worry-free market. That's what we call stocks risky. If it was worry-free, then you just have all of your money into short-term T-bills and you wouldn't have to worry about anything, except that inflation will eat you alive and you won't even notice it until it's too late.